Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to add these earbuds with two different devices and how to switch the connection between them. So let's start. So here on this side I have Android phone and on this side I have iPhone. So guys, please note that you cannot connect these earbuds with two different devices at same time, but you can add these earbuds with different devices and then you can switch the connection between them. So I will show you how. First of all, I will connect these earbuds with my iPhone. So I will open my iPhone Bluetooth settings. So I will open the Bluetooth settings and then you have to insert these earbuds inside the charging case. So I will insert these earbuds inside the charging case and leave the case open, and at the back side I have this button. So I will press and hold this button for 3 seconds and then it will show you Bose Open Earbuds Ultra on your iPhone. So you can select Bose Open Earbuds Ultra and then it will start making the connection. So here you can see the Bose Open Earbuds Ultra are now connected with my iPhone. Now you can open the Bose Music App. So I will open the Bose Music App and here you can see the Bose Open Earbuds Ultra are also connected with the Bose Music App. So I will open them and then here you see we have this option of source. So you have to select this source option and then you can see iPhone is already connected, but here it is giving you one more option. So here it says add new. You can select this add new option and then select yes. Okay, and then on your Android phone you have to open the Bluetooth settings. So I will bring down the panel and then I will open my Bluetooth settings on Android device and now I will turn it on. Okay, and then you can see it is showing Bose Open Earbuds Ultra on my Android phone. So I will select it and then it will start making the connection. Okay, so here you can see now it is asking me for pair. So I will select this pair option. So you can see Bose Open Earbuds Ultra are now connected with my Android device. Now I will open the Bose Music App on my Android phone. Okay, so you will see over here Bose Open Earbuds Ultra will get connected with the app as well. So here you can see it is now connected. Now you can open it. Okay, and then here you see this option of source. So select this source option. Okay, so here you can see on my Android device now it is showing two devices. It is showing this A55 which is my Android phone and it is also showing iPhone. Now if you want to switch to the iPhone, select this enable option. So I will enable it from here, then select yes. Okay, and then press OK. Okay, and now it will get connected with your iPhone. You just have to wait for a few seconds. So here it is showing you the connect option. Select this connect option. Okay, and then it will start making the connection. So here you can see now it is connected with my iPhone as well. And here you can see it is disconnected with the Android device. So this is how you can switch the connection. Now again, if you want to switch the connection to the Android phone, open the Bose Open Earbuds Ultra on your iPhone, select source, and then here it will show you two devices. So I will select source. So here you can see now it is showing two devices over here. So same thing you can do over here. For example, if you want to switch to the Android device, you can enable it from here. The next thing that I want to mention here is you can add up to 6 different devices for these earbuds. So here you can see currently 2 devices are added. So you can add 4 more devices for these earbuds. The next thing that I want to mention here is I made a separate video about how to fix the connection issues for these earbuds for Android and iPhone. So if you have any connection issues, you can watch those videos. So this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.